how to turn off or on all emails notifications on Hubspot. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, open your browser and then once you're here, click settings, and once you're here, click settings, and if you can't find it here, just type here notifications, and here we'll find it. Click on it, and now once you're here, all you need to do, if you want to turn off all email notifications, just turn this one off, and that's it. Just go back and you can turn it on again whenever you want. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.